sure this is not normally a lake. It goes as far as the eye can see. This is me 100 kilometres north of Bangkok. I've already been down to Bangkok today, well 70 kilometres from Bangkok, and I couldn't get through. I was in water nearly 2 foot deep on a motorbike. Look at it. That's not supposed to be a lake. This is just common. Look how the roads are lucky not to be in water right now, but only in 5 minutes time. It's happening constantly. Constantly having to go through, 6-7 inches of water. Which comes up quite high when the waves are coming through lorries and all the rest of it. But it just keeps going and going. And there's no way around it at all. No matter how far north you go. So it's still there.